Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. If you think that you are missing out on capturing the best moments of your life just because you also want to live in the moment, no worries then, because this action camera you can record incredible footage of your outdoor adventures, no matter if it is hiking, surfing or skydiving. Its magnetic accessories make it easily wearable. Now clip it on your shirt or cap and live your life to the fullest. All the computer nerds know how important it is to buy a high-quality SSD, but how to know if the SSD is worthy enough? The Dockcase Smart SSD Enclosure has an HD display, which helps you do the detection of SSD while it is turned on, and timely detect and display the health so you can point out any error. It is also equipped with a heat dissipation system, which makes sure that excess heat does not reduce transfer speed. Pets always need something with which they can play and divert their attention. Otherwise, they can become restless and bored, and they might destroy your furniture or other household items. This remote control owl robot can become a perfect play partner for your pet. It also has a camera, so you can monitor your pet, play with it, and ensure its safety through a mobile app. All the coffee lovers know how brewed coffee stimulates your taste buds, but brewing coffee every day, especially when you have a hectic morning routine, is not that feasible. That is why we are introducing this coffee brewing straw. You just have to add your coffee beans in the cup, add hot water, pop in this straw, and your coffee is ready. Yeah, the alarm might not wake you up on time, but to be honest, getting woken up by loud tunes is not a great start for the day. It might even trigger your anxiety. For a healthy and scheduled sleeping pattern, you should shift to this smart bedside tracker, which wakes you up in the ideal stage of your sleep. It senses your body movements and breathing, and then suggests the best ways to improve your sleep. If your job or hobby requires you to constantly use a microphone, but you are tired of handling wires, say no more. This portable microphone, which can easily fit in your pocket, is here to save you. Just connect it with your device through the USB port. The best thing about this microphone is how it gets charged while you are using it, so its battery status is never a problem. Everyone knows what chopsticks are for, but this is the year 2022, where even chopsticks will be cool. These chopsticks are a pair of reusable titanium sticks, which you can carry around everywhere with you and enjoy your meal. Apart from that, they are also pocket-sized toys like a fidget spinner, and it resembles miniature nunchucks. Now, whether you have to relish your sushi or practice your martial art tricks, these chopsticks will always be there for you. If you have to continuously record videos for your work or you record your music, you might have a full understanding of how great an obstruction the surrounding noise is. These microphones provide you with the ability to record crisp sounds without any influence of the surrounding noise, all thanks to its noise cancellation feature. It has an 8-hour-long battery life, so to make sure that you have an uninterrupted experience. Winters are approaching, and we all know how annoying it is when your hands turn super cold and numb and you are rubbing your hands together for warmth. With this mini hand warmer, you can set the temperature according to your own choice and warm up your hands. Apart from providing power to your hands, this hand warmer can also charge your devices. This magnificent multi-tool can easily fit your watch pocket, and that is one of the aims of its production. Carry only what you need. Along with being a multi-tool, it is also a spinning dice. Its magnetic build enables it to stick to fences, so you can collect screws easily and then snap them together. It weighs 350 grams and is available in 2 colors. For all the cleanliness enthusiasts, having this air blower is a must. That is because it can scrape off dust and dirt particles even from the nooks and corners with no extra effort. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use. You can clean sensitive equipment like photography lenses and cameras with it also. Moreover, its air intake is unidirectional, so as not to damage the external surface of the object you intend to clean. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.